Featuring a traditional look, smart features, and a range of all-day health monitoring capabilities, vívomove Style and vívomove Luxe are the fashionable accessories for everyday life. In this video, we'll introduce you to your new hybrid smartwatch. After charging, download the Garmin Connect app to complete the easy setup process. It will walk you through how to get your smartwatch up and running and paired with your phone. Now, let's take a look at the watch. To wake the screen, raise your wrist or double tap the screen. On the watch face, you'll see the date and current step count. Swipe left or right to view widgets that show more data. You'll notice that the watch hands move in sync with your personal stats, including steps, floors climbed, intensity minutes, and health stats such as body battery, stress, hydration, and heart rate. Tap on any widgets to access more data or additional options. Widgets can be removed or reordered using the Garmin Connect app. Press and hold on the screen to access the menu, then swipe to view menu options. Here, you can set timers and alarms, access settings, and start tracking an activity. Just tap the activity icon. Swipe through the available activities, including walk, run, cardio, strength, and even yoga. More activities can be selected from the Garmin Connect mobile app. Then you can tap to select the activity you want to complete. You will be asked if you want to use the GPS on your paired smartphone. Double tap the screen to start your activity. During the activity, the watch hands will move in sync with your heart rate and indicate your heart rate zone. Swipe to see other data such as steps and calories burned. When you want to stop an activity, double tap the screen. Here, you can save the activity, discard, or resume it. Wake the screen and swipe down from the top to access the controls menu. Here you can quickly access the Do Not Disturb feature, your Garmin Pay wallet, and a shortcut to return to the watch face. Thanks for watching. To learn more, visit the vívomove Style and Luxe pages at support.garmin.com.